Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about the process of an export. My group is conformed by Mariana Rodriguez, Natalia Serrano, and who is talking, Nicolas Camargo. What is the export process? We understand the export process as the procedure that a person or company must carry out to send merchandise or products outside its national market. When doing international business, it is important to determine the terms of operation between the parties, that is, the responsibility for transportation from the point of departure to the point of arrival, the cost that must be assumed by the exporter and the importer. Who intervenes in the process? The actors who intervenes are exporter, importer, bank of the exporter, bank of the importer, carrier or transitory, custom agent, and insurance company.
What are the stages of the export process? The stages of the export process are as follows. Number one, commercial close of the operation. The export pursuit of a product begin when two or more companies from different countries reach a purchase agreements of any products or merchandise for this they agree on delivery conditions terms 2020 at a specific price.
Sending of the contract and documentary instructions. Once the agreement between the two parties has been closed, the next step will be formalize the operation. This stage is formalized thanks to the international purchase sale contract.
Number three, products manufacturing and packaging. The manufacturer must manufacture the products according to the characteristics agreed with the buyers. You must also carry out product packaging and labeling that is appropriate both to the buyer's condition and to the requirements of the country of destination. 4. Nomination of the carrier. Depending on the agreed income terms, the exporter or importer will have to nominate a freight forwarder of transport company who will they share of international logistics. In maritime transport, the freight forwarder will be in charge of booking the container and reserving the ships. Number 5. Collection of the merchandise. According to the Incoterm, the nominate carried with the truck or trainer to be lowered to the merchandise collection point.
Number 6. Transport to port. The loaded merchandise will be deposited in the maritime or airport terminal. Port to port shipments are those in which the containers are transported from the port of origin to the port of destination, not including the transport service before or after the shipment load. Number 7. Export procedures. Customs procedures and export clearance are carried out. The registration of the dispatch will be carried out through the comprehensive customs management system. Number 8. Storage and loading of the merchandise. The storage company is responsible for moving the container or merchandise to house it within the international means of transport. Usual, Usually the means of international transport are the ship and the plane. The merchandise might travel in bulk in a container or be parcel. Number 9. International transport. It can be maritime, land, or be plane depending on the means of transport used. On the other hand, it can be considered multipurpose when the merchandise moves between several different means of transport. It is known as international trade the action of moving goods from one country to another. Therefore, international transport includes the set of means of transport that operate from and to any geographical point. When choosing a means to transport your goods, it is very important that you consider the cost of the operation as well as the risk of the transfer. To select the appropriate means of transport, you should consider type of merchandise, packing and packaging, shipping emergencies, necessary specification for cargo handling, availability of means of transport, rates, international means of transport.
Download and import procedures. Upon arrival in the destination country, the stevedoring company will unload the goods. The goods will remain in the terminal at the disposal of the importation and customs personnel until the subsequent import clearance. Customer delivery. Once the merchandise is declared and switchable for the use in the importing country, the transport company at the destination will pick up the merchandise at the terminal and deliver it to the delivery point agreed with the importer. And this is all. Thank you for watching the video.